Meet the BYD Han. If you're new here, I make succinct car breakdowns that help you decide whether a car is worth your money. Hit like, subscribe and the bell and let's dive into the 2026 BYD Han. BYD's 2026 Super E platform and Han L hardware support ultra-fast charging at very high rates. BYD claims chargers and tech that can add hundreds of kilometers in minutes. That charging leap is a key headline for 2026. Exterior design: a modern luxury with Chinese flair. The 2026 Han keeps a low-slung, fastback-ish profile with a long wheelbase and short overhangs that give it a planted stance. BYD's designers favor simplicity over noisy gimmicks, neat LED signatures, flush handles, and aerodynamic wheels. The front and rear treatments are cleaner and more premium than earlier BYD designs, a clear attempt to move the Han into the near-luxury segment, where it competes with the BMW 3/5 and Tesla Model S equivalents in various markets. Interior tech: a big screen, premium touches. Inside, BYD continues its tech luxury approach: wide digital instrument clusters, a large rotating center screen, and high-quality materials in upper trims: a Nappa leather, ambient lighting, and multi-zone climate with advanced filtration systems are present in many region-specific packages. The Han software stack is feature-rich: over-the-air updates, advanced infotainment, and generous connectivity. BYD is also adding more ADAS sensors and higher-level driver aids on flagship trims. Powertrain's performance: a surprising speed, refined choices. The 2026 Han range stretches from practical single-motor variants to blistering performance versions. The Han L in particular is touted with extreme outputs in sub-3 seconds, 100 km/h claims in some reports. For most buyers, the dual-motor AWD models strike the best balance: instant electric torque, strong mid-range thrust, and stable handling thanks to a long wheelbase and tuned suspension. The DMI plug-in hybrid keeps an internal combustion engine as a range extender, which is attractive for buyers in regions with weak charging infrastructure. Range charging: the real headline. What truly separates the 2026 Han from many competitors is BYD's charging and range strategy. BYD's Super E platform and associated fast-charging hardware, introduced for the Han L and Tang L, promises ultra-fast charging rates. BYD has publicized the ability to add very large amounts of range in just minutes when using the highest power chargers. Practically, that means a Han on the right charging network can be a lot closer to ICE refuel times than most EVs today for daily use. The long-range battery variants deliver comfortable real-world distances that suit long trips. Practicality: comfort. Rear legroom is generous thanks to a long wheelbase. Boot space is competitive with other executive sedans. Sound insulation in upper trims is markedly improved in 2026 models versus earlier BYD offerings. The Han also adds creature comforts: ventilated and heated seats, multi-mode driving selectors, and a well-thought vac and filtration system, which makes it a strong family or executive car. Safety: driver assistance. BYD has been rapidly improving its ADAS suite. The 2026 Han benefits from an expanded sensor package, cameras, radar and higher precision options on top trims. Expect lane centering, adaptive cruise, automated emergency braking, and more advanced hands-on driver assist that improves with software updates. For many buyers, the combination of passive safety build and active driver aids will be a major selling point. Trim levels and pricing: a strong value proposition. A recurring BYD strategy is to undercut established premium brands on price while offering comparable or even better tech for the dollar. Exact pricing depends heavily on market and local taxes, but BYD has positioned the Han competitively in every region where it sells, sometimes undercutting similarly equipped European rivals by a meaningful margin. That value for money is a big reason BYD has been expanding overseas aggressively. How it drives: impressions. On the road, the Han feels heavier than small EVs expected for a car in this class, but the torque delivery is immediate and satisfying. The steering is tuned more for comfort than extreme feedback, which suits the car's grand touring aspirations. Flagship performance models transform this into a much sharper car with dramatic acceleration. Standard and mid-level trims keep the experience luxurious and relaxed. Regenerative braking is well calibrated and can be tuned in many regions to offer near one-pedal driving. Competition. Who should you compare? The Han's natural competitors are premium sedans like the Tesla Model S, Y, depending on size, European mid to large cars, BMW 5 Series, Audi A6 territory for the Han L, and other Chinese premium entrants that aim to undercut legacy brands. Where BYD often wins is feature depth and charging strategy. Where it still must convince buyers is long-term brand perception and dealer service footprint in some markets. Cutting-edge charging and strong range claims on long-range variants. Impressive tech stack and premium interior features for the price. Multiple powertrain choices, even DMI hybrid, that suit many buyers. Brand reputation and residual values still catching up in many export markets. Real-world charging infrastructure outside China may limit the practical benefits of ultra-fast charging until networks expand. If you want a feature-rich, tech-forward electric sedan that gives you great range, ultra-fast charging capability, where chargers exist, and strong value for money, the 2026 BYD Han is a top contender. It's especially compelling if you live in a market where BYD has service support and charging infrastructure, or if you value breakthrough charging technology and modern cabin conveniences above badge prestige. If you're a traditional luxury buyer who places long-term brand cachet, dealer experience, or established resale value above raw value and tech, then you might still favor legacy European or Japanese brands, but the gap is narrowing fast. Want a version of this script split into on-camera lines, B-roll suggestions and timestamps? Tell me which format you want, for example, 7-minute review, 10-minute deep dive, or a 1,600-word long-form article, and I'll convert this into a YouTube-ready shot list and voiceover script. If you want, I can also make a video title, 3 thumbnail text options, and a description optimized for search. Sources, key claims, BYD official model pages and regional spec pages, reporting on 2026 Han L performance and range, and coverage on BYD's Super E platform fast charging tech.